Good morning. Good evening pala.
Sorry,
guys. We are the Giants Vlog. And yes, guys, this is Xander. This is Ray. This is Eddie. At we are here in Steakhouse restaurant here in Exit 5 beside Piato in front of Jarir. So guys, once in a blue moon po kami na magkakasama sa actually hindi ko day off, silang dalawa lang, pero I requested to do morning today, and luckily my manager told me go home for half day. So I just wanted to show you guys that this is one of our routine whenever we do the same off, we get the same time together. So our boodle fight today will be in Steakhouse. And you know what, guys? Every Tuesday they have this. Yes, we have this. Tingin sa kanya.
Actually guys, buy one take one kasi po sila every Tuesday. So kailangan namin siyang i-grab yung opportunity. Lalo ngayon isang beses lang sa isang buwan mag-day off minsan. Kaya kailangan mag-unwind. Nabusog na naman ang mga mata nila. Yun, umiikot-ikot na naman yung mga mata niya. Akala ko pa, pagkain ng tulunta. Yun pala, salmon tsaka
Salmon ang pinuntahan dito, yung buy one get one free. So guys,
umiikot-ikot yung mata niya. Alam niyo na guys, kasi nakakilala kay San.
yes, actually, i-invite natin silang lahat na mag-follow at mag-subscribe sa video. And so guys, ito yung isang promo nila every Tuesday. They have the buy one get one free. So you will be getting a steak, a top sirloin steak, 250 grams, and mamimili kayo any salmon dish or any chicken dish. I think isa lang sa mga chicken and salmon dish doon na hindi kasama. One of each. So guys, I want to show you this salmon. Anong salmon?
Salmon rosemary.
Rosemary salmon. So we got the same salmon with mashed potatoes and sauteed vegetables. We got the unlimited buffet salad.
Unlimited soup.
Per main dish, it will cost you 32 riyals. But if you're gonna order it alone without the main dish, it will cost you like 55 riyals. So hindi ka natalo kasi it's unlimited, no? Sama mo siya with him. So guys, ito po yung dining nila. I wanna show you the dining. This is the dining area. This is the salad. This is the salad section here at Steakhouse. Hi po sa vlog namin. The Giants vlog. The Giants vlog. This is Albert. Isa po siya sa waiter dito, Richard. I want to show you our waiter actually in charge here. I think his name is Richard. Lakas yung boses mo. Siya po si Richard and Albert. Salamat at thank you guys. Sa 1,200 subscribers na po tayo. So yun nga guys, naputol yung video. So magpapaalam lang kami, and we just want to make sure that you can enjoy the video. This is the Giants Vlog. Good evening guys, and here we are, the Giants Vlog.
Ang matamis. Yung caramel, tsaka yung chocolate, tsaka yung brownie, nagko-complement doon sa ano, sa lasa ng
Lasang ano?
So, may drinks ka na, may sweet ka pa.
Lasang Milo.
Mas gusto ko yung Ovaltine.
Ovaltine. Milo kasi kami.
So guys, stay safe. Cheers tayo guys.
Cheers ba? Oo. Sorry naman.
Stay safe po tayo guys. Don't close. Wait. So guys, we are here now. Pangilan na ba nating road tour to? Kanina nandun tayo sa Steakhouse. Then actually namili kami pero hindi na kami nag-vlog kasi maraming mga tao, maraming mga babae na nakabaya, which is not allowed na makapag-video dito at nakikita sila kasi pwede kaming ipakulong kapag ganyan. Di ba, nagsasalita ko na sila kahit na ng kain, di ba? Pangalawa, napunta kami sa over here, Chocolate Cafe. And then nandito tayo ngayon sa mga
Over there.
pa-sponsor. Actually, kaibigan po ni Ray yung manager dito. Joe,
Manager ko before.
my friend, can you show that one? Beer price. So, beer price, guys, is a price that came from New York. Ang kagandahan lang talaga sa New York price, guys, is fresh potato po yung niluluto at ginagamit nila. Hindi to ordered sa labas.
Hindi frozen ka mo.
Hindi siya frozen. Wala siyang chemical. So, fresh talaga siya, which is healthy, no?
Kulit, no? Parang ginawa lang
Look at this.
salad ba? Na french fries na may
This is loaded fries.
vegetables french fries.
Vegetable french fries ang tawag nila dito.
Sabi mo,
Vegetable french fries kasi it has onion leeks or onion spring. Then it has tomato, diced tomatoes. It has capsicum, green one. And it has a sour cream. And our favorite cheddar cheese.
look, parang ano pa ako mga balak.
And ang tawag dito is potato skin.
Of course, ano na hindi pwede. At ibang tawag din.
Uy! Balat! Potato skin po. Then meron tayo ng classic, no? Classic chili, wala ko matagal. Classic chili, classic fried cheese, chicken, potato, that na lang. So mukhang siyang masarap. So we're gonna try it guys. Pero masarap kasi sa potato guys, lalo kapag may cheese siya or mix na parang ano to, parang pico de gallo guys, Mexican style. Ang wala lang dito is yung jalapeno. Para na siyang tacos. Nachos na meron siyang pico de gallo on top. We called it pico de gallo, Mexican siya.
Sarap siya guys.
Sweet. So, yeah. Mas masarap tong may sour cream. Okay mo na.
Bye guys!
Guys.